back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, today's video is in collaboration with COSME-DE.COM, and so they've very kindly sent me their Christmas gifting box, obviously way ahead of Christmas, so I can unbox this and share this gift box with you guys. So if you haven't heard of COSME-DE.COM, I've done a ton of videos for them, but what's different this time around is that they've actually launched a brand new website. So because COSME.com offers beauty products from so many different brands, usually when I shop on COSME.com, I like to shop by the brand because I like to use products from brands that I've heard of. So I love that you can now select the type of product you're interested in, for example toners, and then further sort them out into the different brands that you're interested in. For example, I can now select Estee Lauder and SK-II, and I can view all the toners from these two brands instead of just looking at one single brand. I think the new website is definitely an upgrade from their previous one. I love the overall white theme, and I think the photos of the products and the shades just looks a lot more high quality and accurate. So moving on to the Christmas gift box, this is basically an exclusive set that will be available from the 1st of November onwards. I haven't opened any of the items because this is an unboxing video, so let's see what you can get in this box. So I've done quite a number of unboxing videos for COSME.com, so if you watch the previous unboxing videos, you'll see that every time all their products are very well wrapped in bubble wrap, and there's also this like bag of air inside to help protect the products, which I think is nice because I've never actually received any damaged items from COSME.com before. Okay, so here are all the products in this bubble wrap, so let's see what we have. Okay, so first up we got something from Lancome, and this is the Youth Activating Eye Mask Instant Illuminator. So yeah, first product we have an eye mask, and obviously I haven't used it yet, but there's one pack right over here. It's instant illuminator, so I believe this will be great if you have really bad dark under eyes. I don't really have bad dark under eyes, but I know people who does, so this will hopefully work for them. But yeah, this is just a pack of eye masks. Okay, next we have another mask, and this is from the brand Guerlain. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'll put the name somewhere, but yeah, this is their Super Aqua Mask, and it's basically an intensive hydrating mask, and it also helps to revitalize your skin. Yeah. Feels like it's packed with a lot of the product inside. Does that make sense? But yeah, we have another mask here. So we have two masks so far, which I think is nice because I feel like masks makes really great gifts, and because they are individually packed, you can just bring them wherever you want to use them. You can use them on a plane, when you travel, wherever you want. So I think they're great. So now we have like full-size products in here, I believe. The first one is the serum lifting from La Mouth, and this is actually a product that I've reviewed before, but I think this is a sample size because it's definitely quite small from the original one that I had. And yeah, it's a sample size version. It's very small, which I guess it's great if you go to the gym or if you want to travel with it. But yeah, I have done a full review of this product before, so if you haven't watched that yet, I'll link it in the card. It's a very old video, so maybe I won't be able to link it in the card, I don't know, but I'll put a link somewhere. But I have reviewed this product and I actually really like it. I finished it like pretty fast, so I think that's a sign that I really like it. Basically it's an anti-aging serum, and I liked it because it feels very lightweight and it doesn't feel oily at all, and because I have oily skin, so I like it when a product is very lightweight and doesn't make my skin feel oily or anything. So yeah, I'm glad to try it again. Next we have this product from Clarins, and this is the Instant Light Lip Comfort Oil. So it helps to plump up your lips and nourishes. It plumps your lips and nourish it. But anyway, this is a lip oil, and I'm very excited to try this because I've heard so much about lip oils, but I've never gotten the chance to actually try one. So this is in the shade 6. Yeah, 6. Mint. It's in the shade Mint. Wow, it looks very pretty. So basically, I think I first heard of lip oils from one of my favorite YouTubers, Zoella, and she always raves about them, I think. So I've been wanting to try it, but I just never gotten the chance to until right now. So I'm very excited, and this just looks very interesting because it's in the color Mint. So I'm not sure if it's like a color changing thing or what, like I'm not sure, but yeah, I really like the bottle. It looks nice, so I think I'm actually gonna try it right now because I'm just too excited. The applicator is very big actually. I have a mirror here. Oh, it smells really nice. Just touch my nose with it. It smells really nice, but I had lipstick on and now it has my lipstick on it. It feels like a lip gloss actually, but I think it's more nourishing and more moisturizing than a lip gloss. But I think like the texture and the looks of it looks like a lip gloss. I feel like it has a little like tingling effect. I'm not sure if it's just my psychology thinking whatsoever. Maybe it's plumping up my lips. But yeah, I like this. I think I will use this very often because I do like having that glossy, plumpy lip look. So I like this. Yeah, I think it has like a tingling effect, which is nice. And I don't think the mint actually adds any color to my lips. So yeah, it's pretty much colorless, I guess. So you can just use it as like a clear lip gloss or on its own. Yeah, I think it just helps to moisturize, nourish, and plump up your lips, and I like it. Okay, so next product, which is our very last product. This is the biggest one. Okay, so this is from the brand called Avril and Lofio, I think. The brand name is so difficult to read. I feel like I am Taeyong pronouncing Nashville.
Nashi Valley?
Yeah, Nashville.
Nashville.
But yeah, this is a Japanese brand, I think, because it's made in Japan and it has Japanese words all over it. So I have no idea how to read anything. So I'm just going to go on their website and check out what this is. But it says here perfect cream. So this is the Avril and Lofio perfect cream. Okay, so I just went on to COSME-DE.COM and checked out what this product is, and it's basically a moisturizer, and it's a anti-aging moisturizer. So that's great because I need anti-aging products. Ooh, okay, so it looks like this. The packaging kind of reminds me of SK-II because like the shape of the top as well as the color. I'm not sure. Does it remind you of SK-II? Yeah, let's open it and see. It has a smell, but I'm not sure how to describe it. It comes with a golden spatula. Okay, so I'm just going to try this on the back of my hand to see how it feels. Like I said, I have oily skin, so I'm a little bit sensitive to products that are a little bit thick and a little bit oily. So I hope this is none of what I said. So I'm just gonna try it here. I think that's quite a good amount of product. That's a lot of product. It feels very watery, which is nice because it doesn't feel thick or creamy. So I think it will suit my oily face, and yeah, it just feels very watery and I like it. It doesn't leave any sticky residues or layer on my skin. It doesn't feel oily at all. So I think it smells like rose water. Yeah, kind of reminds me of the Mamonde rose water toner. Yeah, not sure you can see, but it's completely absorbed in and it's totally non-sticky at all. feels good. I think I'm gonna love this a lot. Okay, so this is our very last product, and first impressions, as you can tell, I really liked it. I think I would definitely be using this because of the texture and how it feels, so I'm looking forward to use this. And it's anti-aging, which is great for people like me who are in their mid-20s. So those are all the products in the Christmas gift box. I feel like the products are very well rounded. You know, you have a couple of Pamper Myself products like the eye mask and the sheet mask, and like I mentioned in my Christmas gift guide last year, I think sheet mask makes really great gifts because everyone and anyone can use them regardless of your age, your gender. Even if you're not super into skincare, you can just use a sheet mask whenever you feel like you need to de-stress yourself or have a Pamper Myself session, or just when you feel like your skin needs that extra bit of help. Also, we have 2 anti-aging products, which is great because I feel like anti-aging products cover a wider range of users. For example, people like myself, I am 26 this year and I definitely need anti-aging products. Pretty much people who are in their 20s and above will need anti-aging products, whether or not we have dry skin or oily skin, whether we deal with acne or not. We all need anti-aging products at some point. So I think anti-aging products are great because regardless of their skin type, anti-aging products are more, I guess, universal and everyone can use them. Last of all, I feel like the lip oil is very universal as well because anyone and everyone can use it as well. Like if you take a look at it, it's basically a colorless lip moisturizing product, so it's pretty much like a lip balm. So even if you're a guy or you're gifting it to a guy, they can use it as well. Girls can use it as well. So yeah. So if you're interested to get the gift box for either yourself or for someone else, I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. COSME-DE.COM also provided me a discount code, so I'll leave that in the description box as well as any other information relating to the gift box or the discount code. So with that said, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you very soon in my next one.